Hey everyone, in this video we'll talk about changing your language for Omnigen. In order to do so, first off, if you are in Omnigen and you go to your account icon up at the top right hand corner and select account, then if you look through the account details, you are not going to find anything related to language settings. And the reason being is because you are actually going to need to change the language settings on your system. So if you are using a PC, in order to do that, the easiest way I would recommend is just to go to the search function at the bottom and type in language. When you do, then you should see the option here that says language settings. We can go ahead and click on that, and that is going to bring you to your language settings for your system. Right now we have it defaulted to English, but if you want to add a language, then you can click here where it says add a language. And then from here, you have a variety of languages that you can scroll through, and whichever one you might need for your purposes, you can just click on that, and then you can select next. And once that shows up, it will be in this drop down. You just click on that and you can select the language that you wish to change your settings to. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.